Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I am here to show you some cute little things. I've been getting a lot of these 30 by 30s lately, which are 25 by 25. I have a whole stack of them here to show you. They are from GBFKE, and I have some really cute things here. So let's get to it. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this and stick around and hit that subscribe bell so you can know when I do all of my videos and join in the fun. Returners, hi. All right, let's show you what we have here. This is an owl that has been around for a long time. Way back, I saw someone, she sold some diamond paintings. Anyhow, she did this as a full drill and she turned it into a pillow, and it was really pretty cool. I have loved this owl ever since then. And so when I saw it in a special drill, I was all over it. Oh, sorry. I just tossed the little toolkit to the side, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So there's a lot of special drills on the flowers, around the owl's eyes. Look at even the background. I love the background. There's little specks of drills in the background. I love it. It's going to be super pretty. There's 11 different drills. Let's show them to you. The pillow she made with it was amazing. Can't remember her name. Anyhow, let's show you what we have here. There's some beautiful rhinestones. Clear, red, orange, pink, lighter pink, blue, green. Oh, I love it. Love it. We get some flowers. Love it. Yay. Beautiful. Those are smooth red teardrops. Love those. Smooth round balls and faceted pink teardrops. Love it. Beautiful. 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 Love it. All right. So that is the first one I got. I'm super excited to do that one. This one would be perfect to scrapbook. I need to scrapbook some more and show you how I do that. I'm going to get to that. All right. Smashing the Specials is coming up in August. I'm going to have a lot more things done. I have a bunch done now too, but anyhow, I need to do some more of that. Super cute. I loved these trucks. There's a whole bunch of them. Pink trucks with flowers, pink trucks with animals in them, just all kinds of cute things. So I love these. Christopher even, he got a whole bunch of them, 3 or 4 of them, and he was like, oh, these are for Mindy. Yes, Christopher, yes. So it looks like we're going to have some slivers back here and back here, a lot of special drills through here. It has 8 different drills. Let's look at those and see what we have. I do love the pink trucks. So I'm one of those creators, when I go find the special things, I like to get like one of each thing, and other people get like the whole series. So, it's personal preference, but I like to spread it around and get a little bit of everything. So it's fun. It's just fun. So we have some green rhinestones, pink, clear, orange, yellow, and here's our slivers. They're like a raspberry color. I tried to think of that word the other day for a drill, and I could not think of raspberry. Sorry for the interruption. We have some red round faceted and these beautiful fiery pink red teardrops. I love these. These are so pretty. That's going to be all of those petals on there. It's going to be gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. All right, so that's number 2. All right, number 3. We have a full drill. A full drill. All right. And it's a hummingbird. It's very pretty. It's got 21 colors. This is all going to be like a white background. But look at, it's like a stained glass effect. There's a lot more of the stained glass variety of paintings coming out. And I thought I'd pick up a few here and there. They all look super pretty. Super pretty. Let's show you our 21 drills. That's like 21 drill salute. Let's have a 21 drill salute. Okay, where's the end of my package here? Here we go. All right, here we go. You ready? Let's start with a couple purples. Maroon colors. Is that another purple? A coral. Another purple. Peach. Blues. I think that's a dark blue. Another maroon. Navy. Cream. Green. Some teal colors, and then there's our whites for our background. Super pretty. Love it. Love, love, love. So that's a full drill. What do you think? I like it. I like it a lot. All right. So I was just talking about the trucks. This was a different series of trucks. Okay. Here's the trucks with the animals. So there were pink trucks that were just flowers, and then there were pink trucks that had animals. So this is from the animal line. We'll call it the animal line. So I got this one with the owl. There was a cute one that had a raccoon, but you know me and raccoons. We don't see eye to eye, so I couldn't get one with raccoon. But there were some with animals in the truck. And they look a little odd because the animals are huge, right? Animals are really big in this truck, but you know, it's not supposed to be realistic, I suppose. But I really like this one. And this is probably the one I picked because look at specials, specials, specials all over this thing. There's only 10 different drills, and I didn't see any slivers in this one. So that is probably why I chose this guy. There were other animals. I know there was a raccoon, but we didn't get the raccoon. All right, how do I open these bad boys? Where's the opening? Come on. Sometimes they like to hide on you. Here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready, 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 ready? Okay, oh, pretty. Let's start with some black ABs. That's pretty. Tires, yes, tires. Pink, another pinky. Oh, that's purple. Yellow, green, a pretty teal aqua color, a rusty color. Then we have some gold balls. We have some pink faceted. They got flat tops on them. And there's that same drill again. It's so pretty. The red, pink, fiery looking teardrop. Super pretty. All right, so there's that one. Oh, they're folded up, ready to go back in the bag. Look at that. And I have one more. And I love this one. I love this one. I think this one's going to be fantastic. This one is made for cutting out. It's totally made to be cut out. It's easy to cut out. Cut it out, put it on a pretty paper, put it in a frame. It's going to be gorgeous. But look at those butterflies. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. And then all of this background, like this is not drilled at all. This isn't, you know, so it's just a beautiful, beautiful background for those butterflies. Only 7 different drills for this one. Let's see what they are. You got to see them. See what they are. Sure. And I cut my nails off. So grabbing these little edges is really difficult. Here we go. Thank you, GBFKE. They have wonderful stuff there. They're like my OG. You know, wow. Okay, this is interesting. So we have black. So black is going to outline all these butterflies, right? And then we have some of this brown, and that's also going to be some outline. That's it for the smaller drills. That's it. Everything else is a special. We have orange, the claws. We have blue shards. Those are gorgeous. They're going to go on this guy, right? The orange is probably going to go on, let's see. The orange is going to go here. Oh, okay. Gold balls, beautiful. Purple marquise, love those. And these pearly blue teardrops, love it. So pretty. That is almost all specials except for the outlining. That's cool. All right, so again, another mosaic. We got the owl in the truck. We got a hummingbird mosaic. What do you like? What do you like? Here's our other truck, right? There's our other truck. No animal in it, just a bunch of flowers. And this cute, cute owl. I love the owl. I'm going to have to do this owl right away because he's been around for a long time. Look, you can't see anything I'm doing. Oh, let's move them all down. How's that? Because he's been around for years and years and years, this owl, and I've loved it. Since I first saw it, he's going to be on the top of my list for August for Smashing the Specials. Yeah, on top of the list. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. I'll link all these below so you can go look for them yourself if there's something you're interested in. Remember that lots of times there will be a multi-listing. Like all of these varieties of pink trucks, there were like 4 or 5. And you have to like go through and get the one you want. Same thing with the owls, the animals in the truck. So you got to look through. All right. There'll be multiple paintings of the same kind of variety linked together in one group. So look through all of them. Check them all out, okay? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'm going to put this away and go do my crochet live now with Angie, my friend Angie. All right. I'll be seeing everybody soon. Bye, you guys.